You don't have to be an art critic to be captivated by these awesome artworks painted with watercolor on paper. These are the masterpieces of the founding members of the Cebu Watercolor Society. Their art exhibit, Sihag Cebu, was formally opened on September 26, 2018 at the Cube Atrium, SM Seaside South Road Properties, Cebu City. The featured artists, mostly architects by profession and founding members of the Cebu Watercolor Society, are the following: Ramon Pios Jr., Loloy Castro, Fred Galan, Dino Pahaw, Maxwell Migalios, and Kim Soyap.
Watercolor painting nowadays is a worldwide exposition. The art and expression style are so complex that the intricacy of the techniques puts this medium on the epitome of style and artistry.
Architect Pios further stated that the Cebu Watercolor Society is open for membership provided the works of interested parties pass the standard and guidelines set by the group. The exhibit runs until October 17, 2018. Highlights of the exhibit will be the live watercolor demonstrations by some of Cebu's best watercolor artists.
Your love way and your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight.
That goes on MyTV Cebu.